I was recently geeking out on failure, which is really the core of my work, to fail gloriously, and was doing a bit of a deep dive on the internet on failure. And I started re-watching this TED Talk about the power of celebrating failure at Google X. And that is their moonshot department at Google, where they take big risks. And they actually do things like incentivize their employees for killing their projects earlier. Sometimes they get promotions, they have parties, they high-five each other. And I love this because it really helps reframe failure. Because how do you get high performers to fail? To not only, in a thing like Google X where you're trying to innovate, it can't just be safe to fail. It has to be encouraged to fail. So by incentivizing it, yeah, that allows us to really dare and to really be okay with saying, okay, this isn't gonna work. And I've worked with lots of companies internationally, big companies who don't kill their projects even though they know they're destined for failure because it's shame, it's blame. And so I love the fact that there are companies out there that are really trying to reframe it. You know, I know Spotify has failure ficas, and there's all these companies doing amazing things. So what are you doing? How are you leading failure at your company? Is there anyone out there who's doing fun stuff, celebrations? Would love to hear about it in the comments.